The silent twins. The psychic siblings who spoke only to each other. June and Jennifer Gibbons spoke only to each other in a private language no one understood. They moved like puppets on the same string, wrote dozens of novels about murder, then made a pact. One must die for the other to live normally. This is the true story of the silent twins. Their doctors called it shared psychosis. Their neighbors swore they were telepathic. Today, we're decrypting their secret diaries, and what we found will haunt you. The early years. 1. The unbreakable bond. Born in 1963 to Barbadine parents in Wales, they faced brutal racism. By age 3, they rejected English for their own Babel language, moved in sync without speaking, stared at others for hours without blinking too. The school isolation. Teachers called them the quiet ones, until they attacked a classmate for interrupting their silence. After that, total withdrawal. 3. The first writings. We are not two, we are one. By 14, they'd written 7,000 pages of dark fiction all about trapped twins and violent escapes. The Descent. 1. The criminal spiral. In 1981, they burned a tractor dealership, stole a car and crashed it, confessed immediately, then went mute in court. 2. The Broadmoor Nightmare, locked in Britain's most notorious asylum. They wrote 40-plus novels in 14 years, predicted Jennifer's death to the day, communicated only through blinking. 3. The Death Pact. After transfer to a gentler facility, Jennifer suddenly died of acute myocarditis, heart inflammation with no prior symptoms. June spoke that same afternoon. I'm free at last. The unanswered questions. 1. The language code their Babel tongue showed. West African sentence structures. Welsh vowel sounds, made-up words for adult concepts. 2. The telepathy debate. In 2008, scientists proved twins can share brainwave patterns. But this. June once screamed when Jennifer cut her knee 3 miles away. 3. The haunting legacy. June lives quietly now, but their story forces us to ask, was this mental illness, or something science can't yet measure? Some bonds can't be broken by distance, or time, or even ... Some stories demand to be heard.